Hello friends, I am Harmeet from Theming.com, and in today's video I am going to explain you how you can create a blog website in very easy steps. Friends, you can see this is a blog demo of a Glowline theme. This is a free theme. Today I am going to show you how you can create this blog website using the Glowline Lite theme. Friends, you can see this is the demo of the Glowline theme, where you can see this is a beautiful header section, and below that you can add your website logo, and below that you can see this is the product slider section, where you can slide your products in different manner, and below that you can show your post in the form of grid, or you can add these posts in the form of a standard listing form. And after that you can see this is the footer section, where you can add your widgets in footer. So friends, let's discuss how we can create this blog website using Glowline theme. So friends, before creating a blogging website, we have to purchase domain and hosting on which we are going to run our website. So you can purchase your hosting and domain from any popular hosting service provider and can set up a WordPress dashboard in it. Friends, if you don't know how to set up WordPress dashboard, you can ask your hosting service provider. They will install WordPress in it. And nowadays many big hosting service provider is giving service to install WordPress by default. So it is not a very tough task. You can ask them and they will install the WordPress and you will get the credentials of it. So after getting credential, you have to just go to your domain name and write WP admin. You can see this is a WP admin. You have to write this and you have to log into your account. Let me first log out my account and explain you how you can log in. So this is the login page, where you can see suppose you are on your domain and you have to write WP-admin and hit enter button. And you will see this is the login page of your dashboard, WordPress dashboard. I am explaining you this video in our local host, so this is showing our local host message and my WordPress dashboard name. So in this place you will get your domain name, and after that you have to click write slash and wp-login.php and it will open your login page. Here you have to give username and password which you will get from your hosting service provider, and click on the login button. And now you can see that our dashboard is opened, and you can see this is the first view of our dashboard, where you can see some of the states and some more information. And now we will learn how we can install theme in our dashboard and activate it, and how we can add posts in our blogging website. So just go to appearance tab and click on the theme section. This is the section where we can see all the available themes in our dashboard. These are the 3 default themes which we will get in our WordPress dashboard. And to add new themes, you have to either click on this add new button or then click on this add new theme button here. So I am just clicking on this button, and now you can see these are the list of the themes which are available in WordPress, and all these themes are free of cost. You don't have to purchase any theme here. If you want some pro themes, then you have to go to their particular websites and you have to purchase pro for extra features. So now we are going to install Glowline theme. So go into the search theme field and write Glowline, and it will show our Glowline theme here. So you can see this is our Glowline theme. You can click in this button and preview your theme, or you can directly click on the install button and it will install theme in your dashboard. So you can see we have started installing theme, and soon it will be installed. And then after that we have to click on the activate button to activate this particular theme. So you can see our theme is now installed. This is the message which is indicating that our theme is installed, and now we have to click on the activate button to activate this theme. By activating this theme means we are using its feature and its design on our website. So let's take a look how our website is looking in the first view. So just click on the big store button and it will show how our website is looking. So you can see this is the first view of our website. I have some post already written in my dashboard, so it is showing these posts here. As we have discussed earlier, this is the header section of the theme and a logo section, or we can say this is a website title section. If you don't have logo, then you can write your website title and a tagline of your website here. And below that you can see this is a slider where you can show your blog post in the form of slider. This is the category and this is the title of the post, and below you can see this is the published date and some excerpt content of your post. When we scroll down, we can see this posts are showing in the form of a standard format, means you can see your post one by one below on the page. And after that, at the end of the page, you can see this is the widget section. We have 3 widget section. Currently I have added only single widget here, so I will discuss how we can add widgets. And one more thing, you can see this is the sidebar section where you can also add your widgets, or you can add some content for notifying your users about important notification or anything else you can add here. So let's go back to our dashboard and see how we can add post in our website and how we can manage this home page of our website. So first we have to go to post section and click on the add new link to add our new post. So you can see this is the title section where I will write my new post, and below that you have to write some text. So as of now I am just giving a dummy content to create my new post. Friends, here you can add your images also, or you can add some content here in the content box area. By clicking on this plus button, you can add video, you can add any coding related to HTML, you can add image, audio and anything else. This is the default feature of WordPress. You can use it in any theme you want. And as you can see, this is the image. We are showing that this is the featured image of the post. So to add featured image of the post, we have to click on the outside and you will get featured image option in the right section of the editing page. So click on this link and here it will allow you to add images in your post. This is a featured image, or if you don't have images available in your library, then you can click on the upload files and upload your theme, your image from your local computer. So as of now I am just using a predefined images here. Just click on this image and click on the set featured image button. You can see my featured image is now uploaded, and now I have to select a category of my post. So I have used a flower image, so I am selecting category flowers. Friends, you can add new category from here, or you can also go from this link to create a new category. So I am just clicking on the publish button and my post will be published. Now let's see how it is showing in our website. So just hit the refresh button and we will see this. You can see this, my new post is now published and it is showing featured image, and also you can see it is also showing in the slider part. So friends, this is how you can add a post in your blogging website. Now we will discuss how we can manage the features of theme from the customize panel. So you have to go to appearance tab and click on the customize. After that you will see that these are the options available in the theme where you can manage your home page. So we will go on home page settings and click on the choose post layout format. Here you can choose 2 grid option, then it will show the post in the form of grid. When you scroll down below the slider, then you can see this is the 2 grid option is now showing in our website. Below that you can see more post in the form of 2 grid. Also, we are getting some more option in this theme to hide my category or hide date or hide content comments in the post. So you can see this is the category, it is showing categories, and this is the date, and this is the comment section. You can see this is the comment section here in the post. You can hide those things if you have not requirement of this, then you can hide from here. And some social icon options are also given in the theme. You can add Facebook social icon, Google icon, Pinterest icon, and all those icons. Friends, this is a free theme. That is the reason you are getting some limited amount of options. If you want more amount of options, then you can purchase the pro version of the theme. If you want the pro version, then I will give link in the description section, then you can buy it from there. So friends, in this way you can create a blogging website easily with the help of pre-made themes, and you can manage your blog post here. So friends, in this video we have learned how we can create easily a blogging website. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, then you can subscribe it and click on the bell icon to get the latest notification of our video. Thanks for watching my video.